Touch. Now I'm going to implement the keyboard shortcut that skips to the beginning of the video. When I copied and pasted this from the internet, it has this little northwest arrow up catty-cornered, and I don't understand what that is, so it's time to go back and look at it. Listen, focus Firefox. Go tab 1. Go tab 1. Talon, wake. Go tab 1. Tab next. Yeah, I still don't understand what that left arrow thing is. Tab new. YouTube seek to beginning of video. Delete. Say YouTube seek to beginning of video keyboard shortcut. Enter. F11. Ah, the home key. F11. Focus Sublime. Talon sleep. So seek to the beginning of the video is probably the home key. Let's try implementing that. Talon wake. Go up 8th. Delete. Go up. Go up 8th. Go up 7th. Go down. Say beginning. Go away left. Say seek. Space. Go away right. Colon. Say colon. Space. Word key. Paren. Say home. Control Sun. Talon sleep. Alright, let's try that command seek beginning and see if it takes me to the beginning of the video. Talon wake. Alt tab. Tab last. Seek beginning. Play. Play. And that worked. So let's do the next one, the seek to end. Focus Sublime. Go right. Enter. Say seek end. Clear word left. Say ending. Colon. Space. Word key paren. Say end. Control Sun. Alt tab. Seek ending. Seek ending. Seek beginning. Play. Touch. Pause. Seek ending. Seek beginning.
My chime card arrived today. Cool envelope.
Pause. So, there's got to be something going on with focus. These keyboard shortcuts seem to work only under particular circumstances, and specifically when the video player is focused. If your cursor or your focus is outside of that, I guess, it's probably not understanding what you want. Fine. Escape. Escape. Fine. Sit. Sit. So what am I doing right now? What I'm doing right now is exploring the interaction between my Vimium plugin, which allows me to click on links, and these keyboard shortcuts. The Vimium and YouTube keyboard shortcuts seem to collide, but if I stick Vimium into a mode where most of the keys are turned off, it's called insert mode, then the keyboard shortcuts that I'm writing for YouTube will work. That is a lot of the joys of figuring out how to interact with a computer. You run into things like this where one tool that makes it easier to do something one way and one tool to make it easier to do something another way collide and don't work well together because they were never designed to work well together, and they're trying to use the same keys. It basically is like two people typing on the same keyboard. You're trying to use the same keys to do two different things. Focus Sublime.